ファイトお Okay guys, let's get ready for a 7-minute intro to HIIT workout. This is for beginners and requires no equipment. There are some jumping moves, so feel free to modify if needed. The key for this workout is good form over speed, so go at your own pace. If you get tired at any point, feel free to slow down or take a quick water break. Let's get started. So we'll be doing intervals of 45 seconds on and 15 seconds off. Just listen for the timer and get ready. The first move is twisting jump rope. Super easy, just twist and jump side to side. Pretend you're holding a jump rope and rotate your arms, engaging all your muscles. Good job, we're just getting started. Arm pulses with your palms facing up. Keep your shoulders back, activate all the way to your fingertips. Just breathe and try to add some power in those arms. Come on, you can do this. Jumping jacks. Really swing your arms and get the whole body involved. If you have difficulty jumping, feel free to modify and do step jacks instead. We're already more than halfway through the workout. Keep pushing, you're doing awesome. Arm pulses with palms facing down this time. Again, activate all the way to your fingertips. Keep your core engaged. You should start to feel the heat building in your shoulders and your arms. You're doing great. Keep it up. Crossover jacks. Crisscross your arms and feet jumping in and out. Again, Feel free to modify if you're not able to jump. You can do step jacks with crossover arms if needed. You got this. Next is step jacks. Just step side to side as you clap over your head. Hopefully this will give you a bit of a breather from all the jumping earlier. Keep it up, we're almost near the end. Last but not least, side to side jump rope. Ooh, I don't know about you, but I'm feeling the burn. Keep going though, don't quit on me now. Only 10 more seconds. Let's finish strong. What? Great job, everyone. You did awesome. If you like this workout and want to see more, please be sure to smash that like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.